Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We are in the kitchen today because we are doing a practical chemistry lesson, and today we are looking at heat transfer. So first things first, what do we need to know about heat transfer? Well, we have three states. We have solid, liquid and gas. You would have heard them as being called the states of matter. Now, when we move between these states, there is a certain process that takes place in order for us to be able to go from solid to the liquid to the gas. And this is because of heat. Now, we need a heat source, and that heat source is transferred to the molecules, or simply the particles within whatever object we're talking about. And those particles begin to vibrate, and they begin to expand, and they begin to move apart. So let's get practical with it. Here I have some jumbo prawns. Jumbo prawns are my favorite. Now, these prawns are currently frozen. What do I mean by that? That means that the water molecules in every single one of these prawns is currently in the solid state. And that means that the molecules can't really move around much. They haven't got much energy. But if I apply a little bit of heat in the form of boiling water, then those water molecules are going to take in energy from that water, and they're going to begin to move apart. And as they move apart, they get further apart, and they get looser, and they get a wave. Wavy with it. You get it? Wave? Yeah, okay. Now, let's boil up some water and watch what happens. So we can see that even the water that I am heating up to defrost my prawns goes through a change of state. What happens there? We have a liquid that's wavy, and that wavy liquid now starts to get extra energy from the heat, from the fire, causing the molecules to move further apart. And the further apart they move, the more they expand, and the more they expand, we move from liquid to gas, which is why we see the steam. It's too hot in here. All right, I'm allowed all of the jokes now, guys. But seriously, as you apply heat to a liquid, what you will always find is the molecules move apart and they expand, and you now get the gaseous state. So let's pop our prawns into the water and see what happens. Well guys, these prawns certainly are defrosted after being in that water for some time. But what does that mean? It means that the frozen prawns have taken in the heat from the water to break down the bonds of the water that was frozen inside them. As a result of that, I've got some loosey-goosey prawns, and I can make a stir fry. But what do you need to take away from this? Not my takeaway, certainly for sure, but three states: solid, liquid and gas. And we need heat in order to be able to move between those different states. Heat is an energy source, heat is primary, and heat makes things hot in the